73 mm rain in 6 hours. IT belt in Hyderabad bears brunt. Despite torrential rains, Hyderabad's water reservoirs receive no inflow. Officials blames encroachment. Can TRS show development in Huzur Nagar? Ask Uttam Kumar Reddy. Asaduddin Owaisi mocks Amit Shah's claims on normalcy in Kashmir. Two burglars involved in several cases were nabbed by the task force on Monday and 30 tola gold and 1.5 kg silver were seized from them. Three-member committee to probe allegations of illegal trials at Hyderabad hospital. Chimpanzee Susie escapes from enclosure in Hyderabad Zoo, attacks gardener. Susie was later tranquilized and taken back into her enclosure. Devinder Gaud's son T. Virender Gaud quits TDP, set to join BJP. Mumbai airport will be 100% free of single-use plastic by October 2nd. 119 nominations filed for Huzur Nagar bypoll on last day. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has affirmed that the BJP will field all the disqualified MLAs in the by-elections to the 15 assembly segments, scheduled for December 5th. Tripura government to move apex court over High Court ban on animal sacrifice in all the temples of the state. Goa government reduces road tax by 50% on new vehicle purchase. PMC bank crisis. HDIL says loans taken after giving adequate security cover. Assam's NRC. Law schools launch legal aid clinic for excluded people. More than 2,000 Tamil Nadu fishermen were allegedly attacked and chased away by the Sri Lankan Navy while they were fishing in Indian waters. Modi greets President Kovind on his birthday. Natural for India to introduce its language in global stage, says Jai Shankar. China's 70th year parade shows economic and military might. Barricades up, shutters down as Hong Kong marks Communist China's birthday. The unions and associations of BSNL will go on a lunch hour strike on October 1st to protest against the salary delay and non-payment of wages to contract workers. Samsung is all set to launch its latest Galaxy Fold in India on October 1st. Following a series of problems during media review, Samsung had put on hold the sales of Galaxy Fold. A Supreme Court bench is set to hear a batch of petitions challenging Centre's move of abrogating Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir and related issues. New liquor policy in Andhra Pradesh. Starting October 1st, the Andhra Pradesh government is set to take control of all the liquor shops in the state. The step taken by the YSR Congress government is aimed towards imposing complete prohibition of liquor sales in the state. Google partners with Dine Out for reservations of consumers via Google Maps. Reliance slashes Jio phone prices by half under Diwali offer. Ace investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's wife, Rekha, on Monday picked up 19.65 lakh shares of digital infrastructure provider Tata Communications for an estimated 73 crore through an open market transaction. In a delegation-level talks between India and Britain, both sides discuss issues of mutual concern related to immigration and citizenship. Reserve Bank of India has already eased policy by a cumulative 110 basic points this year. Project AIRSWE promotes women entrepreneurs in Tier 2 and 3 India. India vs South Africa. Proteas have a daunting task of dusty track. Pakistan vs Sri Lanka One-Day International. Pakistan marks return of One-Day Internationals in Karachi with 67-run win. Gautam Gambhir mocked Pakistan's security arrangements made for the Sri Lankan team on tour in Karachi for the limited over series. Lata Mangeshkar makes Instagram debut. The singer, who recently turned 90, made foray into the photo and video sharing platform on Monday.